Wasted by Bandit in the Last Highway. And my dad's cell phone, I have this as his ringtone, the Frank Sinatra song. And my friend Dan, who's dating Crystal, I have this one, courtesy of the Red White. I can't keep it going because it's there. Courtesy of the Red, White, and Blue by Toby Keith. And then we've got my bestie, Bestie Viper. We got this ringtone for her. This is another Mandy Lane ringtone. It's called Straight to Hell by Mandy Lane and the Lost Highway. Then for my cousins, Jake and James, for each one of them I have this ringtone, the Dukes of Hazzard being this one. And for my Uncle Jim, I have this ringtone because he's the baby. This is like Shelton one. And for my boyfriend, I have this ringtone. This is the one. It's that Thomas Rhett song. It goes like this. For my bestie, Twist, we have this ICP ringtone, Homie. The J Meadow part. That part. Then for my mother, I have this Irish Rover ringtone, Culture Candy. Then for my aunt, I have this ringtone by the Irish Rovers again. Bella Belfast City by the Irish Rovers. And then for my sister, I have this Reba McEntire ringtone. It's called My Sister by Reba. We used to play Bobby dolls and makeup. For my Uncle Steve, I have. These are the people that I have ringtones on. I have Come Sail Away. Ooh. So when you hear that, I know he's called. These are for people that call me the most, so that I know when they're calling. Like my cousin Tom, I have. Yes, again, the reason he has his name. All my cousins from my mom's side of the family that are boys have that ringtone, so I know it's one of my cousins calling me. Like my uncles have, my two uncles that would call me, they have their own ringtone, and that's pretty much everybody that has a ringtone on my phone. And the rest of them just have my default one, and my default ringtone is, I'm not sure, can't remember. Nightmare Before Christmas. It sounds like this. So what's this? What's this? That's my ringtone right now because it's Christmas time. And A Nightmare Before Christmas, as you all know, is one of my favorite animated movies of all time. Next to Snow White, that's like, and Cinderella, those are my favorite. But those are my ringtones, and I take you to tell me what's your ringtone for everybody that you have on your phone and all your contacts. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and have a wonderful weekend and week. The rest of your